let's pack with me and see what happens. Let's see. So I have got new clothes in here, and some light stuff. Got shorts. I am taking these. We've all got these. So Harlem's got these and Lee's got these as well. Just so in case we do go in the sea or we're on the beach. I'm really fussy with sand. Really fussy. I don't like sand. So shoes it is. Even if I look like a donut, I don't like sand. Okay, so I've also got Harlem's pack. It's already packed. I got some of his stuff from Asda George. Just so, because he's just grown up so fast, I have to have for his age. Well, actually, for his height, because he's so tall, he is 3 to 4 clothes, and he's nearly 2. So, yeah. So he's got outfits like, so they're red and red, or blue and blue, just matching. He has one outfit that is for going out as well. So Harlem has a matching outfit that I think, I can't remember where I got this from, George, that's it. So he has a little shirt, this little cute one, that cost me £12 for the shirt, as you can see, and this from George. And then he has matching shorts that I will get, 1 second. Harlem's cream that I need to get from doctors because I feel he's dry skin. They really help on his cheeks. He's just like me, quite sensitive with anything. Anyway, so I've got Lee's spray. So I've got Harlem's blanket for ready for bed. His music rocket so he can go sleep. His little lullaby. Charger for that. I need to get a fruit toothpaste for him because the one that I've got at the moment is running out, so I need to get a new one. Milk, already cartons, already done. Just need to get his bottles and put them in. My tablets, I'll get them Monday from the pharmacy. Just need to put a hairbrush in. I've got my recording selfie stick that I need to put in, so it's this one. And then obviously swim nappies that I haven't got. I've only got normal nappies. No good. So yeah, they're the last things that I have to do, that I have to mark off on my list. Apart from that, I'm sort of organised. I think I've got everything. Not 100% sure. A cable. So I need yeah, so organised. So 2 days to go. Oh, I'm so excited for the holiday. Just seeing Harlem's face, just seeing some aeroplanes. It's all brand new to him, so yeah, it'd be quite exciting. I can't wait to see his face, but quite nervous for the flight because it's 3 hours, or I think it's a 3 hour, 4 hours sometimes, depending. I think it's 4 hours there and 3.5 back. Yeah, so it's gonna be hard. I'm gonna try and keep him awake until the flight, and then hopefully he'll sleep on the plane. So we'll see. Fingers crossed, touch wood, everything will be alright. Otherwise it's gonna be a mental breakdown. I'll be running up and down the aeroplane. I would not like that. So fingers crossed, touch wood. So I've done my hair, I've re-dyed it, it's a lot lighter. It's not what I wanted at the moment, but my hair's getting redone on Monday. I was gonna put my clip-ins for hair extensions, but the ones that I've got I don't match anymore, so I have to get some new ones. Try and get some real hair ones now so I can dye them for my hair. I've done my nails. Mum's done them for me because she's a beautician, so she's done them, and my toes are exactly the same colour as that. So I've done like more like a peachy colour, so they are pretty jellies. I waxed some eyebrows. I think they're still quite red actually. Yeah, I done them yesterday. My legs are done and my armpits all been waxed, so I am clean and fresh. Woohoo! So excited to get my legs out now with no hair. So yeah, that'd be good. Anything else? No, sometimes I can mumble on. For other days, nope. Blank. Yeah. So I hope you like the video and I'll see you soon.